Fix we could not detect a valid GTA 5 legacy installation on. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix we could not detect a valid GTA 5 legacy installation on. First, close FiveM, Rockstar/Epic/Steam, and end leftover GTA/FiveM processes in Task Manager. Now, right-click FiveM.x and Rockstar Games Launcher.x and select Run as Administrator. Then, open your GTA 5 folder and confirm Play GTA 5.x exists. When FiveM asks for the game, browse to and select Play GTA 5.x. Here, clear FiveM cache, %local app data %/FiveM/FiveM.app/data delete cache, server cache/server-cache-priv. Verify or repair GTA 5 with the launcher you bought it on, Steam, then verify integrity, Rockstar/Epic, and repair or reinstall. Temporarily allow or disable antivirus and firewall for FiveM/Rockstar and ensure USC isn't blocking them. If using the Epic enhanced build, try installing using the legacy build or use the Rockstar/Steam copy. Epic Enhanced can be incompatible. Advanced only if comfortable backup registry. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.